Hello children, welcome to class 3 computers. Children, I hope you all are doing well, watching the videos and completing your work. So children, watch the videos regularly and complete your work. Read the chapters and learn difficult terms. Children, there are many terms which you are reading for the first time and they are quite difficult. So try to understand the meaning and learn the spellings also. So children, until or unless you are familiar with the words, you won't be able to understand the concept. तो पहले आप अपने आप को words से familiar करिए, words को के spellings को जानिए, उसके meaning को जानिए, and then you will be able to understand the chapter. You will read the chapter and understand the chapter, and then only you will be able to understand the exercises or the question answers which will be given from the chapter. So children, it is very important to understand the terms first and then read the chapter. So before reading the chapter, you will write the meaning of each and every term given in the chapter. Whichever you find difficult to understand, you will learn the spelling and then you will read the chapter. So then you will find it easier to understand the chapter. So children, once you understand the chapter or you understand the concept, it will be easier for you to solve the exercises also. So here children, we had completed Chapter 4, Window Operating System. As we know children, in this chapter we had studied all about the Windows and especially we studied about Windows 7. So chapter we have completed and we were doing book exercise. So the book exercises which are given at the end of the chapter children, we were doing those exercises. So children, here in the previous video we were doing question number B and C. तो हम B और C कर रहे थे. तो let us revise these two and then we will move further into the chapter. So children, question number B, we have fill in the blanks. Question number B, fill in the blanks. F-I-L-L, fill in the blanks. B-L-A-N-K-S, blanks. Fill in the blanks. Now children, the question is, here there are different statements given. We are going to read out the statements and complete the sentences. क्योंकि यहाँ पे blank है, we will fill the blank and complete the statement. Now, first one children, dash is the first screen that appears after switching on the computer. So children, dash is the first screen that appears after switching on the computer. So children, firstly when we switch on a computer, we get a screen that is called welcome window screen. लेकिन हम उसे फर्स्ट स्क्रीन नहीं कहते क्योंकि वहाँ से हम कोई भी काम नहीं कर सकते हैं. From there children, it will ask for the password. You will give password and then you will get another window that is called the first screen from where you are ready. Your computer is ready to perform any task. तो सबसे पहला विंडो जो खुलता है पासवर्ड देने के बाद, जहाँ से आप कोई भी काम कर सकते हो और योर कंप्यूटर इज रेडी टू परफॉर्म एनी टास्क, दैट इज कॉल्ड डेस्कटॉप विंडो और विंडो डेस्कटॉप. तो हियर as it is first one in this you will write window desktop या desktop window आप लिख सकते हो. So desktop window is the first screen that appears in front of you when you switch on the computer. So first answer is desktop, D-E-S-K, desk, T-O-P, top, window, W-I-N-D-O-W, window. Desktop window is the first screen that appears in front of you. So children, हमें कंप्यूटर खोलने के बाद the first window from where you can do any task or from where your computer is ready to perform a task is called the desktop window. तो यहाँ पे first वाला desktop window है. Then second one children, window is the most popular dash. As we know children, window is a operating system. विंडो जिसके बारे में हमने इस चैप्टर में पढ़ा है और उसके अलग अलग वर्जन्स के बारे में भी पढ़ा एंड बेसिकली वी स्टडीड अबाउट वन ऑफ द विंडो दैट इज विंडोज 7 के बारे में हमने डिटेल में पढ़ा. सो हियर चिल्ड्रन वी ऑल्सो अंडरस्टूड दैट विंडोज आर द ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. सो हियर विंडो इज द मोस्ट पॉपुलर ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. एज वी नो चिल्ड्रन, Windows 7 is user friendly, that is why most number of people use Windows 7. So यहाँ पे इसलिए ये पॉपुलर बन गया. जब बहुत सारे लोग किसी भी चीज़ को यूज़ करते हैं तो वो पॉपुलर हो जाता है. समथिंग यूज्ड बाय लॉट ऑफ पीपल इज कॉल्ड पॉपुलर. तो यहाँ पे Windows 7 बहुत सारे लोग यूज़ करते हैं इसलिए ये पॉपुलर है. एंड विंडो इज द मोस्ट पॉपुलर ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम क्योंकि विंडोज एक ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम है. सो हियर यू विल राइट ऑपरेटिंग system. Windows is the most popular operating system. Windows is the most popular operating system. This is second one. Now children, third one. Third, if you can see in your book children, in third we have date and time are present on the dash. As we know children, there is a long bar present at the bottom of the window. Bottom का मतलब आपको पता है, किसी भी चीज़ का नीचे का हिस्सा, नीचे का पार्ट जो होता है उसे हम बॉटम कहते हैं. तो हमारे डेस्कटॉप का भी बॉटम है, जो उसका नीचे का पूरा हिस्सा है, पतला लंबा स्ट्रिप एक होती है नीचे के हिस्से में, दैट स्ट्रिप इज कॉल्ड टास्क बार. सो चिल्ड्रन, डेट टाइम आर प्रेजेंट ऑन द टास्क बार. सो यू विल राइट हियर TASK, task BAR, bar. So date and time is present on the task bar. Now fourth one children, as you know, fourth fill in the blanks. In fourth fill in the blanks we have dash menu, dash task bar. So children, third one, date and time are present on the task bar. So children, if you look at task bar, this is the bar present at the bottom of the desktop, and on the left corner children we have start button, and on the right corner you can see date and time. तो right corner में text bar के date and time होता है. So here you will write answer as task bar. Now fourth one children, dash menu lists all the installed programs in the computer. Dash menu list all the installed programs in a computer. So children, all the installed programs can be seen in the start menu. So here you will write start. As you know children, START, start, MENU, menu is already given. So children, here as desktop is written at the beginning of the sentence, I have started with capital letter. Similarly, operating system को हम कैपिटल से ही लिखेंगे, एंड टास्क बार बीच में है इसलिए हमने स्मॉल लेटर से लिखा है, एंड स्टार्ट बटन इज वंस अगेन एट द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द सेंटेंस, सो वी हैव रिटन विद कैपिटल लेटर. सो हियर चिल्ड्रन यू कैन सी desktop window is the first screen that appears in front of you when you switch on a computer. Yeah, desktop window is the first screen that appears in front of first appears after switching on the computer is called desktop window. या आपके सामने भी कह सकते हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पे स्टेटमेंट में appears on the computer, इसलिए हम यहाँ पे on the computer ही कहेंगे when you switch on a computer. So first answer is desktop. Second answer is window is the most popular operating system. window क्या होता है? window operating system होता है, इसलिए हम बोलेंगे window is the most popular operating system. So in the setting you will write operating system. Then date and time are present on the task bar. So you will write task bar, TASK, task BAR, bar. Task bar क्या होता है? task bar is a strip which is present at the bottom of the desktop. So children, task bar is the strip, is a long bar which extends from left to right on the screen, and at the bottom of the screen is called task bar, and this task bar has a date and time shown at the right corner of the task bar. तो यहाँ पे right bottom corner of the task bar. So here the place where it is found is task bar. Now last one, dash menu lists all the installed programs in the computer. So children, when you switch on a computer, after switching on the computer, you want to start a program. If you want to start a program or you want to do anything, you will search for a program. जिस program में भी आपको करना है, that program is there in the start menu. So when you click on the start button children, you get a menu. आपको menu खुलता है, that menu is called start menu. So all those programs which you have installed in your computer after buying the computer for performing different tasks, all the programs are present in the start menu. So यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे start और menu पहले से लिखा है. So with this children we have completed question number B. We have revised question number B. Now we will go to question number C. अब question number C में we have true and false. So here we will do true and false. Write T for true and write F for false statement. Write T for true and F for false statement. So here children, question number C. Question number C we have WRITE, right? TFOR for TRUE, true, and F for 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 false statement. STAT. हमारे पास there are two types of statements. One, it is either false or true. या तो statement false होगा या true होगा. If the statement is true, you will write T, capital T, and if the statement is false, you will write capital F. So children, look at your book. If you look into your book, children, first one is, you can see the first one is, Windows is an application system software. First one is Windows is an application software system. An application software system. Application software system. Is it true, children? Windows is an application software system. Is it true? No, it is not true, because Windows is an operating system. Windows application software नहीं होता, बल्कि ये एक operating system होता है. So this statement is false. You will write here F for false. Windows is an application software system. Windows एक application software system नहीं होता है, बल्कि it is an operating system. So this statement is wrong. You will write F for false here. Now second one, in second we have, children, second में हमारे पास है the start button is present on the top left corner of the desktop. The start, START, start BUTTON button is, the start button is present on PRESENT, present on, the start button is present on the left, 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 top left, TOP, top, LEFT, left corner of the desk, हम यहाँ लिखते हैं, जगह नहीं है, so you will write here desk top, TOP top. So here second है हमारा, हम second यहाँ नहीं लिखते, चलो हम उधर लिखते हैं. We'll follow a pattern, so हम यहाँ लिखेंगे. So children, as you can see here, the start button is present on the top left corner of the desktop. Is it true, children? The start button is present on the top left corner of the desktop. Is it true? No. Where is it present, children? यहाँ पे top की जगह पे bottom होना चाहिए था, because the start button is present at the bottom left corner of the desktop. Bottom यानी ऊपर बता रहा है, नीचे होता है. अगर आपका ये डेस्कटॉप है, चिल्ड्रन, if this is your desktop, this is called bottom left corner. इसको हम bottom left corner कहेंगे, लेकिन आपके यहाँ पे बुक में दिया है it is top left corner. So this is wrong. This is the right location. So in the book it is given here. So this statement is false, and you will write here F for false. So the start button is present on the top left corner of the desktop. Top left corner ये हो गया. This is top left corner, and so it is not present here. It is present here at the bottom left corner. So this one is right and this one is wrong. And here it is given on the top left corner. ये दिया है. So the statement is also false. जो आपका स्टार्ट बटन है वो बॉटम में प्रेजेंट होता है, टॉप पे नहीं प्रेजेंट होता, तो ये आपका स्टेटमेंट रॉन्ग है। सो हियर विद दिस चिल्ड्रन वी हैव रिटन एफ फॉर फॉल्स। नाउ नेक्स्ट वन चिल्ड्रन, अब यहाँ पे हमारे पास थर्ड वन है। इन 3 वी हैव, थर्ड में हमारे पास है विंडो 7 इज विंडो 7 is a GUI based software, BASED based software, SOFTWAR. So children, as you can see here, जो हमारा विंडो है, विंडो 7 है, of course it is GUI based software. As we studied at the beginning of the chapter children, G का मतलब होता है graphical, U का मतलब होता है unit interface. So the whole operating system, window operating system is based on graphics यानी pictures, icons, menu पे ही डिपेंड करता है। तो इन सारी चीज़ों को यूज़ करके ही हमने विंडो ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम विंडो 7 बनाया है। और यहाँ पे हम जो भी काम करते हैं, वी आर नॉट यूजिंग कीबोर्ड हियर, वी डोंट नीड कीबोर्ड हियर। सिर्फ लिखने के लिए अगर हमको लेटर्स वगैरह चाहिए, कुछ कमांड, कुछ स्पेशल कीज चाहिए, तो हम कीबोर्ड का यूज़ करते हैं। ज़्यादातर हम माउस के क्लिक से इसको यूज़ करते हैं। और यहाँ पे हम पिक्चर्स, मेनू या फिर ग्राफिक्स को यूज़ करके ही इसको को ऑपरेट करते हैं। तो यहाँ पे जितने भी फंक्शन हैं वो या तो मेनू के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है, या वो पिक्चर कहेंगे तो आइकन हो गया, मेनू कहेंगे तो डिफरेंट मेनूज में हमें जो ऑप्शन मिलते हैं वो हो गए, तो इसी के पे ये बेस्ड है। सो दिस स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू एंड यू विल राइट T फॉर ट्रू हियर। सो चिल्ड्रन, लेट अस रीड दिस फर्स्ट वन। विंडोज इज एन एप्लीकेशन software system. No, window is an operating system, it is not application software system. So this statement is false. You will write F for false. Now the start button is present on the top left corner of the desktop. So the start button is not present on the top left corner of the desktop. It is present at the bottom left corner of the desktop. टॉप मतलब ऊपर, बॉटम मतलब नीचे, तो एकदम उल्टा है, तो ये रॉन्ग है। सो यू विल राइट F फॉर फॉल्स। विंडो 7 इज अ GUI बेस्ड सॉफ्टवेयर। ऑफ कोर्स विंडो 7 जो है वो GUI बेस्ड सॉफ्टवेयर इज ऑफ कोर्स GUI बेस्ड सॉफ्टवेयर। तो दिस स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू and you will write T for true here. With this children, we have completed first 3 statement. Now let us do the fourth one. ये लास्ट है, फोर्थ वाला स्टेटमेंट लास्ट है। वी विल डू द फोर्थ वन। अब फोर्थ वन में चिल्ड्रन, इन फोर्थ वन वी हैव द स्मॉल एरो, फोर्थ वन द THE, द स्मॉल ARROW arrow, a small arrow present on PRESENT, present on the desktop, DESKTOP, top. The small arrow present on the desktop is called, is CALLED, called mouse, MOUSE, mouse pointer, POINTER. So there is a small arrow present at the, there is a small arrow present at the bottom of the desktop. There is a small arrow present on the desktop. This arrow is called mouse pointer. So children, we all very well know that there is a arrow like this. This one is an arrow, and this arrow is always keeps on blinking on the desktop. ये arrow हमेशा आपको desktop पे blink करता हुआ दिखाई देगा, and this is called mouse pointer. This arrow we are seeing, or about this we are studying since our class 1. Since class 1 we are reading about it. You are very much familiar with this arrow. This arrow is called mouse pointer. इसको हम mouse pointer कहते हैं। इसको यूज करके हम डेस्कटॉप पे whatever is displayed on the desktop can be seen, and whatever if you want to choose something, if you want to select something, if you want to move something, if you want to show something, and if you want to drag or drop something, you use this arrow. So this is mouse pointer. So this statement is true. When you switch on a computer, you can see this blinking on the desktop. आप इसको desktop पे blink करते हुए देख सकते हो. So this statement is true and you will write T for true here. So with this, children, we have completed question number C, that is true and false. Now we'll do our next question, that is answer the following question. So our next question is question number D. Question number D में we will do answer the following question. So here question number D, answer the following question. 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 Answer the following questions. Now here, so here children, our first question is, if you can see on page number 34, our first question under question number D is, हमारा पहला question है what is Windows? What is window? So children, question number one is what is Windows 7? What is Windows 7? So children, what is Windows 7? So children, as we have studied in the chapter, Windows 7 is a operating system developed by Microsoft company. So यहाँ पे we will write Windows 7 is an operating system developed by, या फिर Microsoft लिख सकते हैं. तो यहाँ पे जो Windows 7 है एक तरह का ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम है and which is developed by Microsoft. So अगर आपसे कोई पूछता है what is Windows 7, so you will write answer में आप लिखेंगे answer Windows 7 is an operating system. यहाँ पे O कैपिटल कर सकते हैं. ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम डेवलप्ड बाय DEVELOPED, डेवलप्ड बाय Microsoft, MICRO, Microsoft, SOFT, soft. So यहाँ पे Microsoft एक कंपनी है. As it is a name of a company, that is why I have written it with capital letter. यहाँ पे Windows 7 is an operating system. यहाँ पे system में लिखेंगे operating system developed by Microsoft. So यहाँ पे आंसर है, ये क्वेश्चन है what is Windows 7. So what is Windows 7? Windows 7 is an operating system developed by Microsoft. So children, as I told you, operating system, Windows 7 is an operating system, and also I told you in the previous chapter, operating system is like a manager which checks or controls or manages all the work done through the computer. जो कंप्यूटर से जितने भी हम काम करते हैं, चाहे उसके डिफरेंट पार्ट्स को यूज़ करके करते हैं, either it is done by the different parts of computer or it is done by the application software present in the computer, और कंप्यूटर को स्टार्ट करना हो या बंद रीस्टार्ट करना हो या बंद करना हो, all these things are controlled by the operating system. कोई भी ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम हो, लेकिन here we are talking about Windows 7 ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. तो Windows 7 ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम भी यही करता है. ये एक तरह का सॉफ्टवेयर है, ऑपरेटिंग सॉफ्टवेयर है, जिस सिस्टम है ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम एक तरह का सॉफ्टवेयर होता है which is developed by Microsoft. माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक कंपनी है जिसने विंडोज 7 ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम को बनाया है। तो विंडोज 7 एक ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम है विच इज़ डेवलप्ड बाय माइक्रोसॉफ्ट। आप सिर्फ इतना ही लिखेंगे। नाउ सो राइट द आंसर चिल्ड्रन, राइट फर्स्ट वन एंड देन आई विल राइट come to the second one. So you can take screenshot also. Now question number 2. What is question number 2? What does start button contains? So children, question number 2 में you will write what does WHAT. question number 2 है what does start, what does, question is what does a start button, a START, start button, what does a start button, BUTTON, button contains. contains का मतलब क्या होता है? contains. what does a start button contain? contain मतलब रखना, किसी चीज़ में पाया जाना या किसी चीज़ में होना। तो स्टार्ट बटन में क्या क्या पाया जाता है या क्या क्या होता है? सो व्हाट डज अ स्टार्ट बटन कंटेन, जो स्टार्ट बटन होता है वो क्या क्या कंटेन करता है या क्या क्या रखता है। सो हियर चिल्ड्रन, इफ यू कम टू द चैप्टर वी हैव ऑलरेडी स्टडीड अबाउट स्टार्ट बटन। स्टार्ट बटन is a button located at the bottom लेफ्ट बॉटम ऑफ द डेस्कटॉप। ये हमें नहीं लिखना है, सिर्फ ये हमें पता होना चाहिए। इट कंटेन्स यानी कि स्टार्ट बटन, आंसर में यू विल राइट इट, it contains, start button contains different menu, contains different DIFFERENT, different menu, submenu used to, menu or submenu, menu or submenu या और नहीं, menu, submenu and the turn off and the TURN, turn off button, turn off कंप्यूटर बटन नहीं तो कंप्यूटर कमांड, CONNAND command, turn off computer command. It contains different menu, submenu and the turn off computer command to computer command which are used, WHICH, which are used to, which are used, so which are used to, are used, USED, used to perform, PERFORM, perform different, DIFFERENT, different functions, FUNCTIONS, functions. So children, as we know, start button contains, हम यहाँ पे स्टार्ट बटन भी लिख सकते हैं, इट कंटेन्स भी लिख सकते हैं। तो यहाँ पे इट हम स्टार्ट बटन के लिए यूज़ कर रहे हैं, तो चलो विल राइट स्टार्ट बटन ओनली। सो यू कैन राइट हियर, आंसर में आप लिखोगे टू स्टार्ट, START, स्टार्ट, फिर आप लिखोगे बटन, BUTTON, बटन, कंटेन्स, CONTAINS, contains. Start button contains different menu, submenu and the turn off computer command. मतलब turn off computer command का मतलब होता है the command which is used to turn off the computer, and turn of computer command which are used to perform different function. तो इन सारे चीज़ों को यूज़ करके हम अलग अलग functions को perform करते हैं. तो here children, in the second question is what does a start button contain? Start button क्या contain करता है? So start button contains different menu, sub menu and the turn off button, turn off computer command which are used to perform different functions. तो ये कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप ये वाला पार्ट लिखें, आप सिर्फ इतना लिखेंगे कि start button contains different menu, sub menu and the turn off command to turn off the computer. आप इतना लिखेंगे तो भी चलेगा. तो क्या क्या कंटेन करता है? मेनू, सब मेनू एंड द टर्न ऑफ कमांड, turn off computer command to turn off the computer. So this is answer number 2. So children, go through the video, watch the video, complete your work and learn the question answers which we have done today. So children, thank you. We will meet once again in our next video. Till then, thank you and have a nice day ahead. Hello children.